What is up guys, Julian here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Bonjour! We are going to go through the 33 Burgundy Grand Crus, which are those 33 names that are the most illustrious in the Bourgogne wine region of France. I'm gonna try to go as fast as possible. We're gonna see how to pronounce those names and which are those fantastic Chardonnay and Pinot Noir wines. I'm going to try to go as fast as possible and say those names only twice, once in English or American, the other with the French pronunciation. Let's get started. Griotte-Bâtard-Montrachet. Griotte-Bâtard-Montrachet of Chassagne Montrachet. Le Montrachet. Le Montrachet Grand Cru in Puligny-Montrachet, those are Chardonnay wines. Chevalier-Montrachet. Chevalier-Montrachet, still in Puligny-Montrachet. Bâtard-Montrachet. Bâtard-Montrachet. Bienvenues-Bâtard-Montrachet. Bienvenues-Bâtard-Montrachet. In Puligny-Montrachet also. Corton-Charlemagne, we're moving up north. Corton-Charlemagne, Corton-Charlemagne. Charlemagne or Charlemagne. Corton, or in French, Corton. Moving up to Vosne-Romanee now. Romanée-Conti, one of the most, if not the most expensive wine in the world. Romanée-Conti. La Romanée. La Romanée, still in Vosne-Romanee. Romanée Saint-Vivant. Romanée Saint-Vivant. La Grande Rue, la Grande Rue, la Tâche, la Tâche. We are still in the same area of Vosne-Romanee, the Grand Cru area of Vosne-Romanee, as well as Richebourg or Richebourg. Do not pronounce the G to Richebourg, it's silent. Clos de Vougeot or Clos de Vougeot. Échezeaux, Échezeaux, in Flagey, Échezeaux, Grand Cru Vineyard. Next door is Grands Échezeaux or Grands Échezeaux. Bonnemare in Chambille Musigny. Bonnemare, Le Musigny or Musigny Grand Cru in Chambille Musigny also. Clos Saint-Denis, Clos Saint-Denis. Do not pronounce the S, neither the T. Clos Saint-Denis, Clos de Tart. Do pronounce the T here. Clos de Tart, Clos de Tart. Clos de la Roche, Clos de la Roche. Clos des Lambrais, do not pronounce the S here. Clos des Lambrais. Le Chambertin or Chambertin Grand Cru. We are in Gevrey-Chambertin, quite a few, I think 9 Grand Crus in Gevrey-Chambertin, including Mazis-Chambertin. Do not pronounce the S here. Mazis-Chambertin. Mazoyer-Chambertin. Mazoyer-Chambertin. Ruchottes-Chambertin. Ruchottes-Chambertin. La Trissière-Chambertin. La Trissière-Chambertin. Silent S's everywhere. Griotte-Chambertin or Griotte-Chambertin. Charmes-Chambertin or Charmes-Chambertin. Chapelle-Chambertin. Chapelle-Chambertin. See, there are quite a few Grand Crus in Gevrey-Chambertin. And finally, Chambertin-Clos de Bèze for the last Gevrey-Chambertin Grand Cru site. And then the 8 Grand Cru Chablis are gathered all together when we talk about the 33 Grand Cru vineyards of Burgundy. So if you want to learn more about the wines from Burgundy, if you would like to learn more about wine in general, you found the right channel. I'll leave you to it. Consider subscribing if you like what I make. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.